Hello. As you see, I am now in Park Tower 2 here in Ayala. This is a condominium, and this unit here is for sale. Let me give you a tour. Okay? So, as you enter, naadayan ang dining set, and then ang kitchen there is sa left side. Okay? Kitchen is equipped already, and this is fully furnished. Then nice siya. So you can put your utensils there. It's ready. And this is 113 square meters. 2 bedrooms. And then 1 maid's room. And this is service area or laundry area. And then they have a toilet and bath here, common toilet and bath. And then this is the maid's room here. Okay. And let's go to the living area. So you can put your TV. Okay. That's it. And then naani siya aisle, hallway gamay. Then you have your toilet and bath here, common toilet and bath. And then let's go to the master's bedroom. So this is the master's bedroom. Okay, dako gid siya. And then naani siya closet diri, and then with the mirror. And then here is the toilet and bath with the tub. Let me show you the view here. So by the way, this is corner unit. And this is the view, very nice. So makita ang siselix dito sa anahan. Okay, and then naano siya cabinet. Alright. Let's go to the bedroom 2. So this is it. Just enough space. And a cabinet with closets there. And this is the view here. Okay. So, very nice. Alright, from here. Alright, so that's it. And if you are interested, please message me. I would be glad to assist you. Beth Cusio here, your trusted real estate salesperson in Cebu. See ya!